Hello there guys, and welcome to the Grandview Palace Real Estate Market Report. Today we will go over units rented, units sold, new units for rent, and new units for sale last month, March 2016. On the new units for sale, we had a total of 11 units in the open market last month, including 3 penthouses. These 11 units were listed at an average list price of $344,000. Out of this 11 units, we must highlight PH 120, located in one of the highest floors of the building and in the very best line of the building, fully renovated. Unfortunately, none of the active units last month was sold, so we closed the month of March with none units sold at the Grandview Palace. Let's see how we did on the rentals. On the new listing for rent, we had a total of 11 units here in the open market last month. These 11 units were listed at an average list price of $2,182 a month. Out of this 11 units, we must highlight Unit 2307, located in one of the highest floors of the building, corner unit with a fantastic view of the Miami Beach and downtown area. This unit is offered furniture, and this unit is offered for seasonal rentals only. As well, we can't forget about Unit 1719, that this unit is offered fully renovated from top to bottom, and as well has a fantastic view on the east side of the Biscayne Bay. This is a must-see unit, offered at $2,500 a month. Let's go to the units rented last month. We had a total of 4 units rented last month. These units were rented at an average rent price of $1,981 a month, and they were rented. They spent an average of 38 days. Listen to this, guys. 38 days only on the market before they were rented. Did you notice that? Units at the Grandview Palace now are renting very quickly. But all this is possible every time these units are correctly priced from the beginning. Remember, folks, that you can download a hard copy of this report by clicking on the link below. Thank you for watching, and make it a great day.